Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute dog with accessories.
Let's start drawing.
At first, I'm going to draw a cute doggy. I start with his cute eyes. His nose, and his mouth with his tongue out, and his 2 ears. Now I draw his body with his 4 legs. He is sitting. I finish him with his tail. Now I draw his plate with a paw on it. And finally, a delicious bone. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the body, I use this light brown color. For the rest, I use this dark brown marker. Brown here. I colored the doggy's tongue with light red. I use Minta for his plate. Blue. Yellow. Good job! Let's draw and color another cute dog with accessories. To start, I'm going to draw a cute little dog. First, his cute eyes, nose, and the mouth with the tongue out. Let's draw the shape of his head. And his 2 ears. Now I draw his body with his paws. Now let's draw his doghouse. I draw its bottom, then the roof, the door, and I add some lines. Here, and finally, a bone on it. I draw some lines for the grass. I like it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color the dog. I use this light brown color. For the ears, I use a dark brown marker. Red. I colored the doghouse with the colors of the rainbow. I start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink for the door, mint, red for the roof. I colored the grass green. And add a little light blue to the background. Good job! Today we are going to draw and color a puppy. Let's draw a cute puppy. His eyes, nose, and a mouth with his tongue out. His head. Then I draw his very long ears. I draw his body with his 4 legs. I finish it with his cute tail. Cool! And let's draw a little ball here. I bet he wants to go to look for the ball. I draw a line here for the ground.
Really good. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Color the puppy first. I color its fur with this marker. I color the puppy's tongue with light red. For the rest of his furry skin, I use this shade. I color the ball light green and yellow. Finally, I color the grass green. And add some light blue to the background. So nice!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.